In a small village nestled between rolling hills and a shimmering river, lived a wise elder named Amara, known for her profound wisdom and kindness. She was respected by all. Every evening, villagers would gather around her to listen to stories and seek advice. One day, a young boy named Kavi approached Amara. He was notorious for being mischievous and disrespectful. "Why should I respect others when they don't respect me?" he asked defiantly. Amara smiled gently and invited Kavi to join her on a walk. They strolled through the village until they reached a majestic oak tree by the river. "Do you see this tree?" Amara asked. "It has stood here for generations, providing shade, shelter, and beauty. It commands respect not through force, but by simply being what it is." Kavi frowned, not quite understanding. Amara continued, "Respect is like this tree. It grows from within and spreads outward. When you respect others, you nurture the seeds of kindness and understanding in your heart. In time, those around you will see and feel this, and they too will begin to respect you." To illustrate her point, Amara handed Kavi a small seed. "Plant this by the river and care for it. Water it, protect it, and be patient. Over time, you'll see how it transforms." Kavi did as instructed, tending to the seed diligently. Months passed, and a small sapling emerged, growing steadily each day. Kavi began to understand the lesson. Just as he nurtured the seed, he started treating others with kindness and respect. Years later, that sapling had grown into a robust tree, much like the one Amara had shown him, and Kavi, once a mischievous boy, had become a respected and beloved member of the village. The lesson of the tree lived on, reminding everyone that respect, like a tree, grows when nurtured with patience and care.